by Rupert S. Holland. Come to the marsh when the fireflies glisten. Come to the bank and stop and listen. Big bass frog and little bass frog, some in the reeds and some on a log, singing away in the big frog chorus, singing away in the pond before us. Scores and scores of frogs in rows. How many singers, nobody knows. Shrill little fellow and big-voiced one, keeping so quiet till set of sun. And then, when stars begin to peep, starting their basso and tenor and cheap. Slowly the moon rides up in the sky, dimming the light of the marsh firefly. Butterflies long have gone to rest. Birds are safe in their little nest. But hour after hour the frogs will sing, for they like that better than anything. It isn't a regular rousing chorus, that in the reeds and bog before us. Croak, 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 the big ones bellow. Cheep, 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 goes the little fellow, and never stopping to change their song. The chorus of frogs sings all night long.